COMO Parrot Cay. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at COMO Parrot Cay on a private island and surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. This property has rooms and villas with a private pool. Parrot Cay by COMO is in Turks and Caicos, and has free airport transportation. These luxury accommodations feature a holistic spa, where open-air yoga lessons can be practiced. It has grounds with hot tub and Japanese baths, as well as a large infinity pool. Perfect weekend away. The privacy and beauty of the island and the attention to detail of the service staff made for an amazingly relaxing trip. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Amazing trip. Each of our villas had a butler who took care of our every need. The staff was the best. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.